In terms of improving your dental health and creating your smile, implants are a well-known and reliable solution. Implants can be a lasting option for replacing missing teeth. They provide a natural, sturdy replacement that lasts an entire lifetime if taken care of. In this short video, we'll walk you through the process step by step for getting dental implants, beginning with consultation until recovering. Step 1. Consultation. The first step towards getting dental implants is to set up an appointment with a licensed dentist or an oral surgeon. At the initial consultation, your dentist will examine your oral health, perform photographs, and talk about your alternatives for treatment. They'll be taking into consideration your medical history as well as your current medications. It's crucial to be candid and transparent during this meeting because the dentist needs to determine if you've or have any medical issues that might impact the outcome in the process of implanting. They'll also go over your expectations and goals of the implant procedure, along with the costs and financing options that are available. Step 2. Treatment planning. If the dentist determines that you're a great implant candidate, they'll develop the treatment plan specific to meet your specific requirements. This will include the quantity of implants that are required as well as the place of the implants and any additional procedures that could be needed, including the grafting of bone or extractions. Dental professionals will discuss how long it will take to complete this procedure, which will include the duration of each visit and the amount of recovery needed between visits. They'll answer any queries you have and will offer detailed instructions about how you should make preparations for the procedure. Step 3. Implant placement. The next stage of the procedure involves the placing of the dental implants. It is generally done over a number of phases which require the appointment of a different person. The first step is when the dentist can surgically implant an implant inside the jawbone. There, it can serve as a substitute for the tooth's root. When the implant is put into its place, it'll need time for healing and integration into the bone. This process, referred to as osseointegration, can last some time. At this point, your dentist can provide the temporary replacement to fit while the implant gets healed. Step 4. Abutment placement. When the implant has completely joined to the jawbone, then the following step will be to attach the abutment. The abutment is an affixed connector that is attached to the implant. It serves as the basis of the dental crown. The abutment usually is put in place during a separate appointment. This will ensure the stability and security to the crown. The dentist will make impressions of your teeth and create the perfect crown to match the form, size, and color of your original teeth. The crown will be made by a dental laboratory and attached to the abutment in an appointment at the end. Step 5. Postoperative care. When the crown is put in, your dentist will send you precise instructions on how you can maintain your new dental implant. These could include advice on the hygiene of your mouth, restrictions on food, and regular appointment to assess the performance of the dental implant. It is vital that you follow these steps carefully in order to guarantee the long-term viability of the dental implant. When properly taken care of, implant-supported dental crowns can endure for years and leave the confidence to smile that appears and feels real. The procedure of obtaining dental implants involves a lengthy process that needs carefully planned planning, skillful implementation, and meticulous postoperative attention. Following these steps, along with working closely to your doctor, you'll be able to get a gorgeous and durable dental smile that can be able to last for many years. If you're thinking about dental implants, book consultations with your dentist about your options. This is your first step toward restoring your smile.